Hey food lovers, it's Ria, and today we're turning up the heat without turning up the planet's temperature. That's right, we're diving into earth-friendly cooking because saving the world tastes better with garlic and olive oil. Let's start with energy-efficient cooking. Use lids on your pots. They're not just fancy accessories for cookware. Opt for pressure cookers or induction stoves, and batch cook like you're feeding a small eco-conscious army. Your oven's already hot, might as well roast veggies and your week's lunch plan at the same time. Now let's talk scraps. That carrot top? Compost it. Those onion skins? Also compost. That withered cilantro you forgot in the fridge? Compost, my friend. Not only will your trash bin thank you, but your garden, or local compost bin, will be living its best life. Whole ingredients are another game changer. Buying an entire cauliflower instead of pre-cut florets saves packaging and gives you bonus leaves to roast. Yes, cauliflower leaves are edible, and yes, they taste like crispy magic when roasted. Pro tip, cook once, eat thrice. Leftovers are basically culinary time travel. You made food in the past that your future self will thank you for. So whether you're sautéing, stewing, or just standing around looking fabulous with a wooden spoon, remember, small choices add up. Stay tuned for more bite-sized eco-wins, and as always, stay green, stay gourmet.